Are you tired of feeling bloated and sluggish after meals? It turns out that the solution might be hiding in your fruit bowl. Pears are often overlooked, but they deserve some serious attention when it comes to digestive health. This delicious fruit has been enjoyed for centuries, and for good reason. Pears are a powerhouse of nutrients that can supercharge your digestive system. The secret to pears' digestive benefits lies in their impressive fiber content and key nutrients. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support healthy gut bacteria. One interesting fact about pears is that they're a rich source of fructooligosaccharides, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds good bacteria in the gut. According to experts, a healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system and overall well-being. Studies have shown that eating pears can even help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Plus, pears contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help soothe digestive issues. Incorporating pears into your diet can be a game changer, but some people might be concerned about their sugar content. While it's true that pears contain natural sugars, they're also low on the glycemic index, making them a great choice for those with blood sugar concerns. Some people might experience digestive discomfort due to the high fiber content, but this can be mitigated by eating pears in moderation. One surprising revelation about pears is that they contain a type of fiber called pectin, which has been shown to have a prebiotic effect on the gut microbiome. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that pectin can help increase the production of short-chain fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy gut. This can lead to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and even enhanced immune function. Pears are also a rich source of polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. In summary, pears are a digestive superfood that deserves more attention. They're rich in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help regulate bowel movements, support healthy gut bacteria, and even reduces symptoms of digestive disorders. The benefits of pears are undeniable, and incorporating them into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. With their delicious taste and impressive nutritional profile, pears are a great addition to a healthy diet. If you've had any experiences with pears and digestive health, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out more of my videos on healthy eating and wellness.